Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G31, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now, for this specific process to actually unlock it, we will unfortunately need one thing, which is a SIM card. Now, I'm saying unfortunately just because it's an additional step, but truth be told, most likely if you have a phone, you have a SIM card. The only downside to this is you will need to set up, if you don't have one, a SIM card pin. So when you pop it in, it needs to show you that lock screen where it tells you to enter SIM pin. If your SIM card doesn't have it, you will need to grab another device that you actually can access the settings in, and just pop that SIM card in there, go in the settings, set up pin, and you're good to go. Then you can take it out and put it in here. And one additional thing that we will need is this thing, which is SIM eject tool, just so we have something to pop out the tray and pop the SIM card on there. So I'm going to lock the device. Obviously you've seen that, going back to it, you can see that it is locked. There is a pattern, Google account, and you also have the lock. So as locked as this device can get. So once you take off the case, if you have one, you want to pop out the tray, which looks to be located on the left upper side of the device, right here. So I'll just push it in and I'll pop it on the tray. There we go. And then I'm going to insert it back into the device. Now, counterintuitively, we don't actually need to know the pin for it. So you will see there it is. It tells us to put in the SIM pin. And what you want to do is just grab that pin again, pop it out, and hopefully your device doesn't lock, but there we go. And once you pop it out, it gives you this option right here. You want to drag this down, so press on it, drag down. As you can see, it starts expanding in this weird way. Try it again. Once you let go, it will bring the notification down, and from here we should be able to access manage. Just let me somehow figure it out how. Guess settings maybe? No? Oh no, it unlocked it. Try that again. Now we should have a manage option under that little notification. So for some reason it wasn't visible, and it still isn't, which kind of makes it a little bit annoying. Huh. Yeah,